A 600 credit score and a 750 credit score are looking at the exact same house, same income, same down payment. One of them pays $312,000 in interest over the life of the loan. The other pays $156,000. Same house, same person, basically. The only difference? 150 points. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 3 moves that close that gap for people who had no business qualifying for anything. And the third one is the one your bank will never tell you about. Here's what most people don't realize. Your credit score isn't just about getting approved. It's a tax you pay on every single thing you buy on credit for the rest of your life. A 150-point gap can mean a 4% difference on a mortgage rate. On a car loan, it's the difference between 6% and 19%. On a $35,000 car, that's over $9,000 extra, just for having a worse number on a screen. So, how do you actually move the needle fast? Most advice online tells you to pay your bills on time, and don't max out your cards. Cool. Thanks. That'll get you maybe 20-30 points over a year. We're talking about 150 plus points. And stick around, because Move 3 alone has gotten people 60 to 80 points in a single billing cycle. Move 1 is the utilization reset. 30% of your credit score is based on how much of your available credit you're using. Most people think the magic number is staying under 30%. Wrong. The actual sweet spot lender's reward is under 10%. So if you have a $10,000 limit, carrying anything over $1,000 is quietly capping your score. Here's the move. Pay your balance down, or pay it off completely. 3 to 5 days before your statement closing date, not your due date. Your statement date is when your balance gets reported to the credit bureaus. Pay your due date like normal. You're still on time, but you've already shown the bureaus a near zero balance. People have seen 20 to 40 point jumps from this one timing shift alone, with zero extra money spent. By the way, if this is landing for you, subscribe. The algorithm doesn't push videos that challenge how people think about money, unless viewers actively tell it to. Move 2. The authorized user strategy. If you have a family member with a credit card that's old, like 10 plus years old, and has a low balance, ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Their entire account history, the age, the on-time payments, the low utilization, gets imported onto your credit report. People with thin credit files have jumped 50 to 100 points from this single move, because length of credit history is 15% of your score, and you just borrowed someone else's. Now here's where it gets interesting, because moves 1 and 2 fix what's happening now. Move 3 fixes what already happened to you, and most people never even check for it. Move 3 is the dispute sweep. The credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, make errors on millions of reports. Wrong late payments, accounts that aren't yours, balances that were already paid off but still show as owed. Pull all 3 of your reports for free at annualcreditreport.com. Go line by line. Anything wrong, a late payment you actually made on time, a collection account you already settled, an account you don't recognize. You file a dispute directly with the bureau in writing. By law, they have 30 days to verify it or remove it. If they can't verify it, it's deleted. This is how people have erased a single bad late payment and watched their score jump 60, 80, even 100 plus points in one cycle. Because one 30-day late mark can cost you more points than maxing out 3 credit cards combined. So to recap, pay down your balance before your statement closes, not your due date. Get added as an authorized user on an old, healthy account, and sweep your 3 credit reports for errors you didn't even know were dragging you down. Move 1 can show results in 30 days. Move 2 can show results in 1 billing cycle. Move 3, if you find an error, can move your score in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. None of this requires a credit repair company charging you $99 a month. It requires about an hour of your time this week. If this helped, hit the subscribe button, because next week, I'm breaking down the one credit card mistake that's quietly costing 40% of Americans 50 plus points right now, and most of them have no idea they're doing it. See you in that one.